Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to disallow app clips on iPhone running iOS version 14.0.1. So this is my iPhone device, so let's start. So first of all you have to open your settings app. So here is my settings app. Let me tap on this to open it. You can see guys it's opened. And also guys, let me show you first that I have iOS version 14.0.1 installed on this iPhone. So let me tap on this general. And then let me tap on this about, and you can see guys here I have this software version. You can see I have iOS version 14.0.1 installed on this iPhone XR. So let me go back again. So let's start. So in order to disallow app clips on iPhone, what you need to do, you have to open your settings app, and after that guys you have to tap on this screen time. So let me tap on this. And after that guys, you have to tap on this content and privacy restrictions. And after that you have to tap on this content restrictions. And on this screen guys, you have to come to this app clips. You can see currently it's allowed. So just tap on this app clips. I'm tapping on it. And I have this app clips screen opened. You can see currently I have this option checked, allow. So what you need to do, you have to tap on this don't allow option in order to check that. So let me tap on this, and you can see this option is now checked. And if I go back, you can see I have this don't allow option enabled for app clips. After that you're going to close your settings app. So let me close that. So that's it guys. In this way you can easily disallow app clips on iPhone running iOS version 14.0.1. So thanks for watching. If you liked my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks. Bye bye.